everyone, welcome back. Today we will see the process of scholemization. So scholemization is a process of removing existential quantifier. So this scholemization will remove the existential quantifier such that the first sentence is satisfiable if and only if the second is. So अब existential quantifier को remove करने के लिए करना क्या है? So here we have to replace each occurrence of its variable by a Skolem function whose argument are the variables of universal quantifier. And one most important thing, we are replacing any variable with a Skolem function, right? So that Skolem function should include the scope of existential quantifier which is being eliminated. And the second case is, if any existential quantifier which we are going to remove is not within the scope of any universal quantifier, then उसे हम कहेंगे Skolem constant. So now let us understand this with example. So the first example is, for all x there exists y, where x is a person and y is a person implies loves xy. So यहाँ अब existential quantifier में कौन सा variable है? So it is y. So to remove y, what we can do? We can take a Skolem function which contains variable x. So it can be, for all x, person x is a person and f of x is also a person implies loves x and f of x. Here f of x is the Skolem function with variable of universal quantifier. So this x denote a person who loves and this f of x denote a person who is being loved by x. So this f of x will specify a person that x loves, right? Now second example, for all x is a person implies there exists y, where y is brain or has x y. So here we have to eliminate this existential y. So this sentence can be again written as, for all x is a person implies brain b of x and has x b of x. So here again b of x is a Skolem function with x variable which is a variable from universal quantifier. So अब यहाँ b of x का मतलब ये है कि it totally depend on x. That means कि अगर person ही नहीं होगा तो उसका तो obviously brain के होने की भी कोई possibility है नहीं. तो brain existence में तभी होगा जब कोई person होगा. That's why we are writing b of x. तो अब इसे देखकर questions में arise होंगे कि either we can write only b or not. So no, we cannot write only b. Why? Because the scope of this variable totally depends on this person x. So let us see another example. There exists x, where x is a crown and x is on head of John. मतलब कि यहाँ जो existential quantifier है x, it is not dependent on John. x का जो existence है वो John पर dependent नहीं है. जब तक John king है तब तक crown उसके पास है. But if John king नहीं भी होगा फिर भी crown का existence तो होगा ही. So x जो है वो John पर dependent नहीं है. That's why यहाँ पे Skolem constant, Skolem function नहीं बट Skolem constant का यूज होगा. Skolem constant मतलब कि any random variable we have to replace it with x. So finally the sentence will be like, crown of k and on head k and John. So हमने फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लॉजिक टू CNF कन्वर्जन देखा था. तो उसके स्टेप्स क्या थे? तो सबसे पहले एलिमिनेट implication, then move, negation, inward, then rename variable, eliminate, existential quantifier, drop, universal quantifier, distribute conjunction over disjunction. तो ये जो स्टेप था एलिमिनेट एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वांटिफायर, तो यहाँ यूज होता है इस स्कॉलेमाइजेशन प्रोसेस का. Another application of the Skolemization process is it can be used in automated theorem proving. So this was Skolemization. Thank you.